We are in Guangdong, Guizhou. It's about hour train ride from Hong Kong on the express train, speed train. So we're gonna go inside, do an apartment tour, and stay tuned. I'll give you more about the price. Just showing a quick view of what it looks like inside the apartment complex. Walking around a little bit just to show you what it is outside the apartment. They've got walking track, beautiful green, gated community here. This track circles the outside of the complex, so you can get some good exercise, walking and talking. So it goes on, and you can definitely get your steps in. A little bit of the other style apartments they have here. We will take you inside, show you one from the high-rise. Play area for the children, like a little park in here for kids. Here are these towering high-rises that China is constructing all over China. These high-rise apartments in gated communities, family friendly. So let's step inside, take a tour. Let's step inside this apartment. And let me start off by saying I'm gonna reveal a true fact that you can get an apartment in China like this for the incredible price of 300 US dollars. That's the truth. 300 US dollars. This is a 3-bedroom apartment, 2-bath, which I'll show you. 300 US dollars. We all know about rental prices throughout the world, especially in the US. But where can you get a brand new, beautiful view, 3-bedroom, 2-bath apartment, little over 100 square meters for the incredible price of $300? This is one of the bedrooms. It's actually the master bedroom that I came into first. Fully furnished, built-in closets, comfy bed, desk, plenty of space, plenty of outlets, USB hookups. This apartment already comes with Wi-Fi. Here is the ensuite master bath. It's got everything, technology type commode. Basically it's touchless. It will go up on its own, flush on its own. Remote control in here, latest technology. I mean, shower area, beautiful. Have some real top of the line stuff in here. Let me take you into another bedroom, small bedroom, but good for a kid. Again, plenty of closet space, built-in closets. You got your outlets, USB hookup. I believe we have type AA in here, USB technology, and AC now. Let me take you to the 3rd bedroom, which could actually be an office if you want to convert it. It's a small little bedroom also. Okay for a kid. Nice comfy bed, storage underneath. Built-in closets up, and I should have pointed out, each room has air conditioning, plenty of light, you've noticed in this apartment. Let me take you into the kitchen now. China-style kitchen, very small is what I mean by that, but it's got everything you need. You got your burners, rice cooker here, steams the dishes after you wash them, your pots and pans. Plenty of storage in here. And let me take you over here to the sitting area. Beautiful, comfortable couch. Really nice size room. Plenty of light. Another sitting area here. A lot of windows, a lot of lights coming in. Nice view. Comes with the TV. built-in TV here, or it's built into the cabinets. All of this is cabinet space. This TV pulls out and you can kind of move it around a bit. And this is a little bit of the dining area where you got a built-in water filtration system. Get your hot water and cool water. And then you got your refrigerator built in, nice. Here's this beautiful built-in refrigerator. Let's take a peek inside. There's probably nothing in here, but plenty of space. Freezer section down here. Really nice. It's built-in cabinet type things to put some of your trinkets or pictures. Little dining area here. And in the sitting room here, I should have pointed out, here there is central air conditioning. You don't see a lot of that. It's usually the boxes that are connected to the wall. So here you get some nice air flowing. And this is also an air filtration system, which is right there. Again, you get plenty of light in this apartment. And you don't see too many of these in China. A ceiling fan really turns the air in here. I can feel it. And it's a hot day. And again, sitting room has the central air conditioning with the air filtration system here. So the air is really turning in here. It's really fresh. And this apartment's in an area where there's not a lot of hustle and bustle, factories, that type of stuff. And you know, you're 15 minutes from downtown. Like I said earlier, 45 minutes basically on the express high-speed train to Hong Kong, or about 30 minutes to Shenzhen. Beautiful area. And then out here we got a little patio, a little noisy, got some construction going on outside. So we got a washer and dryer stacked, a little bit of a view. We have this up, safety for kids. Got a view outside here of some of the lakes, rivers, fishing ponds. So this is a nice little area. And up here you can hang your clothes if you want, if you don't want to put them in the dryer. So a little bit of the view outside one of the balconies. Apologize for the noise. Construction zone. Here's one of the washrooms, commode, shower. A sitting room view from my back to the window. Huge area here. If you wanted to, you can actually put that dining room table that's over there, kind of right where I'm standing here. Eat your food looking out this window and have more space by the refrigerator. Just an idea. So, like I said in the beginning of this video, $300 US for this apartment. $300 US. Brand new. Where can you get that? Anywhere in the world. Can you let me know? Can you put the countries in the comment section below and let me know where you can get an apartment like this outside of China? I want to learn. I'm curious. Here's the other bathroom. So basically 2 bathrooms, 3 bedrooms, dining area, sitting room, state-of-the-art appliances, central air conditioning in the sitting room. All of the bedrooms have wall units, security system, Wi-Fi throughout, fully furnished, $300. And how do I know it's $300? Because I know the owner. If you're interested in this beautiful $300 apartment in China, brand new, fully furnished, drop a comment below and let me know. If you were in the area or moving to China, would you consider something like this? And is the value exceptional? Leave me some comments, leave me some thoughts below, and do me a favor. Subscribe to this channel for more apartment tours and for more travel adventuring in China with Chris here today. I hope everybody has a great day. I hope you enjoyed this China apartment tour, and we will see you soon. Now those are doors, huh? Look at the size of these. So here I am next to the doors. Oh, they gotta be about, I don't know, 25 feet high.